Good morning, children. Welcome back to St. Joseph School, Vijaypur. In previous videos, we completed seventh lessons. Today we will start our new lesson number 8, occupations. Lesson number 8, occupations. In this lesson, we shall study about the purpose of occupation, different kinds of occupations, traditional occupation and modern occupations. First we read about different kinds of occupation. We first know that what is occupation. Occupation is a job that a person does. Different people have different occupations. Occupation makes a person earn. Now let us know that different types of occupation. Before that we come to know what is occupation. Occupation is nothing but job that each and every person does. Even your father and mother also works. No, different people have different occupations. By occupations only a person can earn money. Some different kinds of occupations are doctor. A doctor treats patients. Engineer. An engineer designs and constructs roads, buildings. Postman. A postman brings letters and parcels. Farmer. A farmer grows crops, fruits and vegetables. Tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. Teacher. A teacher teaches in school and colleges. Policeman maintains law and order, catches thieves. Pilot. A pilot flies an aeroplane. These are the some different types of occupations. We all need food, clothing, shelter, and many other things to live in society. We all need food, clothing, shelter, and many other things to live in society. All these things cost money. People occupy themselves with some form of work which can earn them money. They work, they do to earn a living is called their occupation. All of us need good clothes to wear, shelter to live means good home to live, good food to eat and other things to live in society. All of these things should need money. So to get these money, people will work to earn it. The work which they do to earn money is called their occupation. What would you call a person growing vegetables to sell in the market? Yes, a farmer. A farming is his occupation. Occupation can also be called one's profession. So, no, people follow different kinds of occupations. Some work as doctor, engineers, teachers, pilots, farmers to name just a few for occupations. Why do people work? They work so that they earn money needed to safety the wants and needs of their family and loved ones. However, people also work in order to safety their own dreams and ambitions. Satisfy their own dreams and ambitions. So we know question come to that why people do work. People work to earn money to satisfy the needs and wants to the family and loved ones. Even they work to satisfy their dreams and ambitions. This one is, he is a doctor. Amul's father is a doctor because he has always wanted to see everyone health. Amul's dad is a doctor. So what is work of doctor? To see everyone's health. Teacher. Madhavi's mother is a school teacher by profession. She has always dreamt to being able to teach little children about the history of our country. Madhvi's mom is a teacher in school. What is work of teacher? To teach the children. Here also she always dreamt to teach little children about history of our country. Agriculture. Agriculture is India's occupation. Since we are basically an agricultural country, our farmers grow a huge variety of crops from food grains, fruits, and vegetables to cash crops like sugarcane, cotton, and many others. India's main occupation is agriculture. As we are basically an agricultural country, so India's main occupation is agriculture. Agriculture is backbone of India. As we are basically an agricultural country, farmers grows a variety crops like food grains, fruits, vegetables, and cash crops like sugarcane and cotton. These are the some occupations of India. So read once again this lesson in your textbook and see the video and learn about different types of occupations. Thank you, children.